Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, this building is kind of like a teenager on puberty, man. It's just kind of getting on my nerves. If you watched the last video, we got all the bottom walls set in place, nailed up, everything's ready to go. I got to get my roof beams up. I've got to get the front on. Last night, I finagled the back one up by leaning it up there. It was not pretty. I didn't even film it. It was like death-defying. I was like on a tightrope up there. So I got Ethan, my youngest, to help me today to get the front one on because it is a little bit heavier. He's going to help me set the joists in the middle, then we can put our decking on, and then it's roofing time. And I am happy to see that. So let's take a look at where we're at. Just hold what you got. Alright, here comes the rain. I basically got all the roof rafters in. The front and the back on. There's the front. And I just braced it across because it's supposed to be like really bad weather. I didn't want it to flop over. And tomorrow is another day. Awesome. Oh, one day I'll be able to come out to my building when it's raining. But right now, it's a mess. Floor's full of water and there's no roof, but soon it will be complete. Alright, I'm up here putting on some nails in the roof, and if the video ends here, then I didn't make it. I fell. About ready for some shingles, baby. The boss is coming out to inspect. What do you think, boss? Huh? Now she's putting what?
Done with the inspection.
Oh, okay. Where's your clipboard? Huh? Where's the clipboard if you're going to inspect?
I don't need one. I got my brain.
Look at that. It's got a roof over it.
Yep.
Need some, might need some shingles, huh? Looking cool. Man, a lot of progress though, that's for sure. Got the tar paper on most of it. I'm working on the overhang, which didn't come out exactly like the old Planaroos that came with the building, but it looks good. Working on the inside, I've made one design change. This upstairs section here is for storage. And it goes this side and over to here. And I'm going to go ahead and floor this center section over this part and get this much more storage in it, because it's really why I bought this higher barn, is just to have a little bit more storage up above. Now downstairs, looking super cool, and I've got something that's going to go right here in this corner that's red, and it starts with an M, and it's being shipped right now, so I'll have a video on that later, but it is looking really, really super cool, and it is very substantial. That's where the roof vents are going to go. Yesterday we got all the roof siding on it, and it looks really good. This is the last bit of the roll of tar paper, and if you've ever noticed, if you've done tiling or drywall or anything else, right, you're always going to be one piece short, and this is, I need one more of this length to be able to finish the building, so I'm going to have to buy a whole nother stinking roll. So that's how it always goes. Okay, so that's going to be it today for the building. I got all the roof sheeting on, I got half the tar paper up, all the boards nailed down, looking really good. It's supposed to get super cold tonight. It's getting down to about 30, about freezing. Hopefully the grass doesn't get killed. That would be kind of crappy where I have to reseed all that, but that wind's cutting through here and I'm done. I'm going to enjoy my Michelob Ultra. Go in, we'll pick back up as far as the roofing goes. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Key! Turn your wrench.